Let's compare Intellij AI Assistant and GitHub Copilot. Intellij AI Assistant is integrated directly into JetBrains IDEs like Intellij IDEA, PyCharm, and WebStorm. It uses JetBrains' own backend combined with large language models to offer context-aware code suggestions, inline explanations, and smart documentation. It understands your code structure and project dependencies deeply because it runs inside the IDE. It also supports natural language to code, refactoring help, and error explanations all in context. GitHub Copilot is a general purpose AI coding assistant built on OpenAI's Codex. It works in VS Code, JetBrains, and other editors. Copilot suggests lines or entire blocks of code as you type, and it's great at filling in repetitive logic or boilerplate. It supports dozens of language and frameworks, but it doesn't always understand full project context. It shines in productivity but may require more editing for accuracy in complex code bases. Choose Intellij AI Assistant for deeper integration with your JetBrains IDE and smarter context awareness. Choose GitHub Copilot for fast, flexible code suggestions across multiple editors. Intellij is best for structured in-project guidance. Copilot is best for speed and general use across different environments.